So we created the idea. One day, when we were at the port of Valencia, we saw a group of tourists of the north of Europe, and they asked us how we can spend a day in Valencia, and we saw in that moment a good business opportunity.
Our company is engaged on tourist visits for young people that come to Valencia. Finally, our touristic parks is divided in 6 parts. The welcome in Vélez events, the beach Las Arenas, the meal in La Pepica, the football match in Stadium of Mestalla, the dinner in Todo Grande, and finally the party all night in Lenya.
First stop will be in the beach. Later we'll go to taste a traditional dish from our city. Okay friends, let's go to the visit.
Okay, well, here we see the port of Valencia, and now go to the Arenas beach to enjoy the sun and enjoying a paella.
The beaches in Valencia are very clean and are aware by blue flags, a world eco label. I invite you to enjoy the views. Okay, here we are. This is a traditional Valencian restaurant. I guess that all of you are hungry and ready to taste every dish that this place offers. You can choose between paella, arroz al horno, arroz a banda, or any dish that you would like. You can accompany, of course, with beer, quality wine, even sangria if you prefer.
Hi guys, now we are going to watch the Stadium of Mestalla, where we'll see the football match between Valencia and Barcelona. We arrived at Mestalla Stadium 2 hours before the match to enjoy being the hosting team. Enjoy a great match? Come on. The match is finished, we can take a photo in the middle of the stadium with the mascot. I hope you rush to support the Valencia football team and expand this feeling in your country. Amunt.
Okay guys, now we are going to dinner here in Todo Lo Grande. If you don't know it, it's a young restaurant bar in which all the dishes in the menu are extra big. You can recharge your energy from all the day meanwhile you enjoying the dinner also. Drinks are free, so come on. Is everybody here? Yes? Okay. As you know, this is the final part of the trip, but don't you worry. We're still here. We are going to dance, to laugh, to meet new people in one of the most popular disco in Valencia. I hope you all love commercial, hip hop and R&B music. I forgot, we have reserved the VIP area with a lot of drinks for everybody. Let's go!
To finish the visit, I want to say that you are a wonderful group. I hope that you like the city of Valencia. I wish that you have new friends and new experience. If you want to find our company, you can find us in internet and Facebook. If you have any compliments or suggestions, do not hesitate to tell us. Finally, we want to take a photo of the group. In the morning, we will upload the photo. It's a good pleasure. See you soon. Ciao.
Love, exciting and new. Come aboard, we're expecting you.